It's getting cooler weather and we're still trying to garden, trying to grow our own food. We got cabbage growing, we got broccoli, cauliflower, all those cool weather crops growing. We're trying to do it organically, but you're having problems. We'll give you a little insight on that today. You know, your fertilizers, your organic fertilizers are wonderful, and most of the time they have a lot of different nutrients in them, such as our organic fertilizer 432, which is a hen manure. And then we have our Fish Guano fertilizer. Wonderful products. But these organic fertilizers have a hard time breaking down and being available to the plant in cool weather. They work wonderful in hot and warm weather, but cool weather, you can have some difficulties. So I'm going to give you a tip today on how to grow organically in your garden in cool weather. Now, one trick is using a product called Chilean Nitrate. Chilean Nitrate is a great water-soluble nitrogen source. Now, with these other products, the microbes are kind of not working as much as they do in hot weather. They're kind of asleep and they're working real slow, so they have a real hard time breaking down these animal and plant-based fertilizers down in cool weather and being available to the plant. But this Chilean Nitrate is one of the only organic products that is water-soluble, and that means it's available to the plant. Boom, boom. So you can supplement in cool weather using Chilean Nitrate as your nitrogen source to help those plants get that nitrogen quick. One thing about Chilean Nitrate is you never want it to be more than 30 to 40% of your nitrogen source for your crops. So you don't want to use this exclusively, but it is a great product to supplement to get nitrogen to your plants in cool weather. You still want to use your organic fertilizers, but just count on them not being as efficient and as quick to break down as in warm weather. Now, this is something all the organic farmers know and they have a problem with, and they try to work with that. They just don't break down and become available to the plants in cool weather. Make sure you understand that. Make sure you make provisions in cool weather to supplement with nitrogen sources such as Chilean Nitrate that is water soluble to help you be more successful growing your own food in cooler weather. Now, get dirty.